What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market to see what the market did today and where the market is heading going into tomorrow. But before we dive into this video, please hit that thumbs up button. That is greatly appreciated and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm. And if you want to support the channel, get my daily trade ideas, my swing trade ideas, 3 days of live trading live in my Discord, definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. And now let's get right into it, guys. Dow is down 0.11%, nasdaq up 1.56%, S&P up 0.69%, and we got Russell 2000 down on the day 0.15%. And here in this groups on top, we have technology leading the way, consumer cyclical, communication services, healthcare. On bottom, real estate, utilities, consumer defensive, and energy. And here on the stock market map, what do we got? Meta up 2.35%, Google up 0.64%, Amazon up 1%. And we talked about it in my last video. And I said, do not short this stock, Tesla. Especially when the stock is getting extremely oversold, you're going to see a counter trend rally on Tesla. And if that happens, and you're shorting at the lows, you're going to pay back. And look at what happened today, guys. Up over 7%. Another one, Nvidia up 8.47%, AMD also up, all the chip makers are up on the day. And then we got Palo Alto, PANW, also up with earnings from last Friday. I think it's up like 35 bucks on the day. We also got Microsoft 1.71% and Apple 0.77%. We got banks, kind of a flat day here on all these banks right here. But then if you look at right here, energy also down on the day, and some of the healthcare names are up. But look at J&J down 3%. LLY finally took a short position and it's green right now, but it's up on the day 0.66%. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So what we got here on SPY, it's up 0.65%. And if you look at it, guys, gapping up early in the morning and then coming down and closing that gap and then going back up to 440. And now, at least for today, closing above right here, 438.93, holding blue line 5 SMA as a support into closing. So, there's some positive signs on SPY right here, but it's not completely out of the woods yet. I would like to see SPY above 442 to 443. And if that happens tomorrow, there is going to be a bullish signal for the market for more upside. So watch tomorrow. SPY can get up to, I would say, 442, 443. And soon as that breaks, you're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 444.35 to this red line, 50 SMA, and then 448. Above 448, guys, this is going to be a breakout from this downtrend, and you're going to see a move all the way up to 455.49 to close that gap on top. So far, it's still in a downtrend under this trend line right here. So you want to see it above 442, 443 tomorrow, if not Wednesday. Now also on a pullback, you want to watch this support right here, 438.93, or I would say 439. You want to watch this blue line 5 SMA tomorrow. And if that holds, you're going to see some consolidation and possibly that breakout. But moment SPY takes out 439, watch out for the support down here, 435 right here to this lower Bollinger Band all the way down here. And below that, you should be watching for this low that we got on Friday, 433, because if that gives up, you're going to see a flush down to finally that big weekly support, 430, and that needs to hold right here for the bulls to continue this move back up to the upside. On triple Q, also holding above blue line 5 SMA, sitting close to 362. So tomorrow on a pullback, you want to watch 362. And if that gives up, 360, and then down to the support, 356.28, lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. Now to the upside, triple Q can actually break and hold, I would say 366. that would be a bullish signal for the market. And then you're going to see continuation to the upside, at least in the short term. You're going to see 370 and then possibly up to even 371.65 to retest negatively sloping white line 20 SMA on this daily chart. But until triple Q breaks above 366, watch out for the support 362, 360, 356.28. So Russell 2000 ETF IWM coming down to 183, and we talked about it. We got this daily 200-day moving average right here at 182. We also have support at 183 so far. That is holding 183 to 182. You want to watch this big level on IWM. And if that gives up, that is going under daily 200-day moving average right here on IWM. And that is a bearish signal for small caps. You're going to see more sell-off all the way down to 178 and then the gap below 176.24. Only time this thing will look bullish above 185, and as you can see, getting up to 185.28 and getting rejected by this blue line 5 SMA, coming down and now holding at 184.38 at the closing. So you want to see IWM above 185.33 to be exact tomorrow. And above that, you could see a quick trip all the way up to 188. And once we get that breakout above 188 on IWM, and that holds as a support, that is going to be a bullish signal for Russell 2000 ETF, and you're going to see more upside here on IWM. Until then, guys, watch 182 to 183, a key level of support, because below that, you're going to see a flush all the way down to 178, and then the gap below 176.24. On Dow Jones ETF DIA, it's kind of a flat day on DIA, only down 0.13%. But as you can see, it was getting extremely oversold, trading below lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. 344.60 came down to 342.49 and then went back up, retracing a lower band on this daily chart, and now that is holding as a support. So tomorrow you want to see DIA above 346.48, and that would be a bullish signal for more upside all the way up to 350. Until DIA breaks above 346, you're going to see continuation to the downside, and in that case, watch out for the support down here and the gap just under 340. On VIX is down 0.98%, again getting up to $18 and then selling off, getting rejected right here from 18 and coming down and holding $17 as a support right here, red line 50 SMA. And so far that support is holding. It was holding on Friday and now again today holding above red line 50 SMA. Now if that gives up, you're going to see a flush here on VIX all the way down to 1551 and then possibly down to even flat $15. Now anytime this thing breaks above 18, you're going to see some more pullback here in the market, and in that case watch out for a move all the way up to 20 on VIX, and this is going to be the level you want to watch. If this thing somehow breaks 20 at any point, that means what? You're going to see a deeper correction in the market. And that's all I have for you guys in this video. Thank you so much for watching.